Let's learn how to send payment to inner transactions from an Algorand smart contract. All inner transactions can be defined using the respective parameter types inside the ITXM module. For payment transactions, we need to use the payment class. Here's an example of sending a payment inner transaction. If you hover over the payment class, you can see the set of fields you can configure for the payment inner transaction. From these fields, only amount and receiver are mandatory, and the rest of the fields are optional. Because this is an inner transaction, Algorand Python implicitly knows that the sender is the application account, so you don't need to set the sender field. Here, the amount field is set to 5,000, so that's 5,000 microalgos, and receiver is set to txm.sender, which is the account that is calling the payment method defined in this smart contract. Fee is set to 0, which is the default value, and this means that the external account that is calling the payment method will have to pay for the transaction fees occurred by this payment inner transaction. After creating the payment inner transaction object, you can send the transaction by calling the .submit method inside the payment class. Now, if an external account calls this payment method defined in the smart contract, this method will send a payment inner transaction of 5,000 microalgos to the account that is calling this method, which is txm.sender.